In about a week, Apple's latest flagship, iPhone 13 series will be official. So far, there has been numerous information about this series including its color options. Although there are indeed surprises like the inclusion of a 120Hz refresh rate, there is a couple of information that users should know. Unfortunately, there are some points about the Apple iPhone 13 series that may discourage potential buyers. Screen refresh rate. The screen refresh rate has always been an important criterion for measuring the quality of a mobile phone screen. Simply put, the higher the refresh rate, the more frames can be displayed in 1 second. Sometimes, you may observe that the display on the demo video of a new TV is more immersive than the TV you watch at home. This is because the frame rate of the demo video is higher. Similarly, the higher the refresh rate of the smartphone, the smoother it will be when using it, providing users with a better visual experience and reducing eye fatigue. Design remains the same, just a smaller notch. After the official launch of the iPhone 12 series, complaints about its notch-style front camera module continued. The look and feel of a large black bar above the display is not good. On the other hand, in the Android camp, in recent years, the front camera module of mobile phones has gradually evolved from a notch screen to a water drop screen, a pop-up, and most recently, an under-screen camera. The screen-to-body ratio is getting higher, and the sense of unity on the front of the phone is getting more fulfilling. Fast charging capacity, only 25 watts, Apple is too cautious. The iPhone 13 will increase the battery capacity and fast charging rating. The battery capacity of the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro could be 3095 mAh. This is less than 10% higher than the battery capacity of the iPhone 12. The iPhone 13 Pro Max will get a 4352 mAh battery, but the charging power is only 25 watts. This is a 5 watts increase from the iPhone 12's 20 watts charging. Slightly expensive. Pricing has always been a down point for iPhones. Thankfully, the company has its loyal fans that are ready to break the bank for a new iPhone. According to reports, the starting price of the iPhone 13 series is similar to the iPhone 12 series. However, the storage capacity does not have the popular 256GB option for the Pro model. For the low-end models, there is no 64GB storage option. The lowest is 128GB. Relatively speaking, Android camp models have a very wide range of options. The latest flagships have all levels of RAM as well as internal storage. This device may appear cheap on the lower end, but the iPhone 13 Pro Max will exceed $2,000, which is Q. Summary: generally speaking, although the iPhone 13 series has indeed made a couple of upgrades, it is unfortunate that only the iPhone 13 Pro Max has a 120Hz refresh rate that users are most concerned about. Potential buyers will have to look at what they really need before purchasing the iPhone 13.